What's the meaning of crematorium? Crematorium. Crematorium.
Crematorium. Crematorium. A crematorium is a facility that is designed and equipped to cremate human remains. When a deceased person is cremated, their body is placed in a special furnace called a retort, which is heated to very high temperatures. The intense heat causes the body to break down into its basic elements, leaving behind bone fragments and ashes. The bone fragments are then pulverized into a finer ash, which is placed in an urn or other container and given to the family of the deceased. Cremation is a popular method of disposition for those who do not wish to be buried.